Hi guys, before we get started with this week's episode of Miss Planet, I want to announce the launch of our new website. It is absolutely fabulous, has so much information and a free resource library, so be sure to check out our new website, missplanet.com. Guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member and her name is Maisha, and Maisha writes, "Hi Miss Planet, hi Maisha. I love watching your channel and I just want to know, could you please give me some pointers on how to make this bouquet with artificial flowers and feathers? I'm a DIY bride that's trying to make her own centerpieces and bouquets, so any help you can give me would be appreciated." Well, Maisha, not only are we going to show you how to create this ruby red feather bridal bouquet, we're also going to give you all the links to all the supplies so you can do it yourself. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's get started on Maisha's project, Ruby Red Feather Bridal Bouquet. Let's get to it. Our first step is to trim down our styrofoam cone to fit inside of our straight handle bridal bouquet holder. It's super simple, just with our foam cutter. You're going to make sure that it fits nice and snug, so we're basically cutting off about 1 inch to 1.5 inches off the bottom, another 1 inch to 1.5 inches off the top, and it'll snap right into place, nice and snug. Now if you'd like, you can put some hot glue along the edges just to completely secure it. This next step is optional. You can take one of these feather spray stems and attach it to your bridal bouquet, kind of making a feathered tail in the sense of the word. Now, I have to tell you that the only place I could locate this stem, this feather stem, it was at Hobby Lobby in the store. They don't have a link to where you can buy it online, and I could not really find anything similar to it with our Amazon store. So be sure to go to physically Hobby Lobby and look for this particular stem if this is what you would like. I used an additional feather spray stem, cutting the feathers off individually to use in this bouquet also. I just like the makeup of the feather. So next we're going to take these stiff BIOT feathers and we're going to create a bundle. Now you can do them individually, which is perfectly fine. I typically like to put about 5 to 6 of them together. Go ahead and put a pretty liberal amount of hot glue on the end, and then once the glue is pretty much dried, then I form it with my pliers. So be sure not to touch the hot glue. It is hot. Use the pliers. Well, Maisha, how did we do? It looks absolutely stunning. What a statement you will make coming down the aisle with this beautiful ruby red feather and rose bouquet. I just cannot believe how wonderful it turned out. I hope you like it as much as we do. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the next to find out when our videos are posted. And if you have a comment or a question, leave it right down there in the blank section for us. If you want to hang out some more, head on over to our social media and hang out with us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, I don't know what you're waiting for. They are formerly known as Ebates, and they pay you to shop. So simple. Head down into the description, click on the Rakuten link, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month. It is really just that simple. Well, guys, our time has come to an end. It always goes by so fast. We want to thank you again for spending this time with us. We know you have so many options here on YouTube. Don't forget to check out our new website, MissPlanet.com. You can click on it in the description below or right there in the corner, and it'll take you straight there for more information, more projects, as well as cost-saving tips. And don't forget that free resource library. Head on over there and check us out. If you want to get the links to the supplies that we use in this project, as always, the supplies are listed right below. Just click on the show more and you'll have all of the supplies links at your use. So until next time, always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on this planet. Please take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless.